Hi and welcome to a Jane of All Trades tutorial short. So here we're just going to run through a little bit of workflow preparation in Adobe Illustrator CC 2020. So we're going to do that by, we're going to go click on Create New and we're going to be faced with a dialog box. What we're going to do is we're just going to name this Twitter, Insta, adverts. So this flow is going to be applicable when you're doing multiples of the same thing, or if you're doing different things but on the same template. It can make workflow a lot easier. So we're just going to select pixels, and then the standard-ish for Twitter, Insta, Facebook, I suppose we could go for 628. But you can go online and confirm. There's lots of different kind of standards depending on whether you want to do a square Insta. So we're going to create this document. So here we have, and as you can see, we have one of the correct size, but we can go to artboard straight away and say we wanted to make 5 different adverts because we wanted to make it applicable to each social media platform. I'm never too keen on them being side by side, so there's a little zigzag in the bottom left hand corner of the artboards. You can choose your spacing, layout order, etc, and you can just click OK, and I really like this kind of layout. You can do the same up here in your layers area. You can add a few more layers. Layer 1 can be a background. So we'll just select that and then we can change the colour. For example, we can make it black, and Control C, Control V. I always select here. The shortcut for the main select tool is V. And if you're wanting to copy something, it's Control C, Control V. And you can copy that down. Make it straight. You can multi-copy, so then you can go and you can do it a lot faster. And then all we're doing is creating the backdrops for each panel, so then you can lock that, and then we can go into layer 2. Layer 2 you can be logos, etc. So we'll drop this, which is actually a text file, and then you can do the same where you can copy and paste certain elements if you have similar elements on artboards or adverts, but it would be the difference between whether you perhaps, if you're doing an advert for Instagram and Facebook but you're also on Twitter, you might want to include your Twitter handle in those adverts to mention that, or you can mention YouTube in another, and it's just a simpler way, and then you can always see your previous designs without having to create a new workflow. So that's how I like to do workflow when you're using a simple size throughout. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.